Hello and welcome to this video on how to calculate the shooting star pattern. In this video I will show you how quickly and easily you can calculate the shooting star pattern in Excel and then begin using it to test your trading strategies and theories. Before we can calculate any chart pattern, we need to have an image in our mind of what that pattern should look like. In the case of the shooting star, there are a few defining characteristics. In particular, that the high point of the candle should be higher than the preceding candles. The wick above the body should be considerably longer than the wick below the body. And the body itself should be quite small relative to the size of the candle. With that image in mind, we can start the calculation. And we begin by typing in equals if and first of all we check that the high point of the candle is greater than the high of the preceding candles. Next we check that the wick above is considerably greater than the wick below, and we do this by taking the high point of this candle minus the highest value of the open or the close, in other words the top of the body, and we make sure that that is greater than the lowest point of the body minus the low of the candle, all of that in brackets multiplied by our factor, and we press F4. Finally, we want to see that the body is quite small, and we do this by making sure that the absolute value of the open minus the close is lower than the high minus the low multiplied by our maximum body size factor. Press F4. Now we close the brackets. If all these conditions are true, we're going to enter the text shooting star, and if not, we're going to do nothing. Highlight this cell, double click on the bottom right hand corner, and we copy it down, and we can see we already have an example of a shooting star. If you haven't already seen them, I have recorded videos on the doji and engulfing candlestick patterns, and there are links on the screen for you to check these out. If you'd like to learn more about the spreadsheet that is shown in this video, there is a link on the screen about that. And if you'd like to learn more about trading the financial markets, in particular about using Excel to backtest your trading strategies, firstly please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and also go to www.tradeinformed.com.